Hi, this is a quick video about two excellent tablets with great sound. This is the Lenovo Yoga Tab Pro, and this is the Teclast T10 Master. They both have 4GB RAM, both 64 gig in the way of storage. This one is Android 6 Marshmallow, and this is Android 7. The main reason for this video is just to remind us how important sound is. The other tablet that doesn't compete here is the Benai G10 Max, which has got similar specs, 4GB, 64GB, etc. The Voyo i8 Plus, the sound on both of these tablets is terrible. Both have mono speakers, but have great picture quality. In fact, the Benai takes excellent photos as well. Anyway, getting to the sound, this is the trailer for The Matrix. Firstly, actually, let's start with the Teclast.
I cannot go back. I'll handle them. Hand us. You'll hand us. You know your predecessors had much more respect.
Moving the volume up.
Okay.
That's about 50%. And here we go with the main action. Up to 100%. The sound is really fantastic. The true stereo sound, and the Teclast has got a built-in amplifier. I paid £100 for this device, just under £100. It's usually about £200. I have no idea why Amazon was selling it for £99, but I got myself one. Picture quality is brilliant, but the picture is oversaturated in my view compared to the Lenovo, which cost £270, and in my view also has very good picture and brilliant sound. The sound quality in my view is very similar on both of them. The difference is that the sound comes out either side on the Teclast, and there's 4 speakers in this sound bar at the bottom of this tablet, but let's give it a go.
That's a nice trick. I cannot go back. I'll handle them. Hand us. You'll hand us. You know your predecessors had much more respect. Okay, you have some skill. Key.
The Lenovo has got Atmos sound system, JBL sound system, and it's fantastic sound. The picture quality is much more realistic and not oversaturated like the Teclast. What else have they got going for them? As I say, that's about £275. That is normally £200. The battery life on this one, they say it's about 18 hours because you've got this sound inside the sound bar is a very large battery. I would say that it's more like 12 hours. It really depends on what you're doing. Either way, it's got excellent battery life. The Teclast, average battery life, I would say about 8 hours. I leave the house at about 8 o'clock in the morning, and when I get home, it still has about 50% of battery to it, and I'd have gone onto YouTube and surfed the web, etc. The other thing about the Teclast is that it's got a fingerprint scanner at the back that works really well. As you can see, works within, I would say, easily less than a second. The key feature on the Lenovo, other than the great battery life, is the projector. It comes with a projector that gives you a screen of about 70 inches with decent quality. The room has got to be dark, as with any projector, really. The other thing it's got, of course, is this very famous kickstand. So you can also prop it up on a nail or whatever to hang it. So it's got that going for it. Either way, these are two very good tablets. The Teclast has also got an HDMI connection to it, whereas the Lenovo does not. The back camera on the Lenovo is 13 megapixels. I think it takes very good pictures. The front camera is 5 megapixels. Conversely, the Teclast, the front camera is 13 megapixels, and the rear camera is 8. Again, I think it takes excellent photos. So there you have it. Sound, the projector, and the battery life on that one. Obviously, it's more expensive, but it's a great machine. The Teclast, in my view, is a fantastic step forward by budget China tech companies. If they could all be produced with an amplifier, that would be great, because often with cheap China tech, the sound is often the main sacrifice, as is usually the camera. That's not the case with the Teclast. Oh, by the way, the keyboard is just simply a backlit cheap thing I got off eBay and isn't part of the package. So that's it really. I'm not sure what else to say other than the fact that value for money wise, Teclast is easily the winner in the way of overall quality and style, plus that projector that is a hidden and very unusual feature, the Lenovo. So there it is. Thanks for watching.